JT lead-free reflow soldering equipment can be independently disassembled and assembled through precise and rigorous design, saving more than 75% of maintenance man-hours. The new generation of lead-free reflow soldering equipment readjusts the flow direction of the independent circulating hot air, increases the heat preservation effect of the furnace by 40%, drops the workshop temperature, effectively shields the high temperature in the furnace, and reduces the waste of electricity for customers by more than 10,000 yuan per year. Before leaving the factory, it needs to go through a simulated single board and load test in order to maintain a stable temperature in the furnace under the condition of variable load and maximize the qualified rate of PCB products. The plug-and-play modular design will save 50% of maintenance time in the environmentally friendly design. In addition to reducing exhaust emissions, it also enhances the effect of flux recovery and reduces flux residues in the furnace. When soldering complex PCBs, small chips, large IC components, and even BGA components are all on the same printed circuit board, and it is particularly important to maintain a stable CPK value. Double the output, but reduce the energy consumption by 65%. How did JT do it? In terms of energy saving and emission reduction, we also have a more perfect solution. The dual rail product line cooperates with two independent SMT placement lines to double the output, but the power consumption, exhaust emission, nitrogen consumption and space usage will be reduced, greatly reduced to 65% of the original two equipments.
JTGXS Series Wave Soldering is a new generation of intelligent welding equipment, developed based on the interconnected platform, supports barcode function, automatically identifies and retrieves product prescription documents, meets the requirements of mixed flow production process of products of various specifications, and connects to customer MES system through barcode. The new optimized spray system platform is compatible with selective spray function, ultrasonic spray system, optional flux closed loop control management system, built-in flux flow detection, pipeline blockage, nozzle stop warning, and other functions which can meet the requirements of quantitative management of diverse processes and effectively save production costs. The new large channel independent convection hot air, fast response and penetrating IR preheating system can be configured according to different products to solve the phenomenon of large temperature difference in product cross-section, achieve excellent and uniform preheating, which greatly improves the tin climbing effect compared with similar competing products in the market. GXS series wave soldering has excellent wave crest stability. Thermal shock between crests is less than 50 degrees. Standard tin overflow warning function. Optional tin furnace energy saving management. Intelligent detection of exhaust system. And can be equipped with a closed loop control system for wave height. The powerful up-bottom convection air cooling, or optional compressed air cooling, can quickly form a dense IMC alloy layer in the solder joints and improve soldering reliability. GXS series wave soldering. The through-hole tin penetration rate of the product is more than 75%, and the void rate is close to zero, which greatly reduces the maintenance after the soldering. GXS series wave soldering is suitable for users of 5G series products, high-power energy storage products and automotive products. It can be upgraded to dual rail series and external module spray system according to production capacity requirements. It is safer and more reliable. It is the most representative of the industry.